Welcome. My name is Albert. Thank you for joining me today. And today I'm going to be talking to you guys about you don't have to worry if she gets mad at you. It is fine to be polarizing when it comes to women. This will build attraction. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Because on this channel, I teach you guys how to become better men and how to improve your interactions with women. Okay, so let's dive right in. Do not be afraid to make women mad, or do not be afraid if a woman gets mad at you. It's fine. Okay, and at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you a personal story that will probably help you a lot, because a personal story in a situation where I used the advice that I'm going to give you guys right now, and it actually worked for me. So stay tuned to the end of the video if you want to hear that story. Here's the thing, guys. Most men, they love to play things safe with women, right? They don't like to be polarizing. They want to be just like vanilla. They want to be plain. They want to be bland, right? So the woman treats him bland. He basically is not memorable, right? It's fine if she gets mad at you. Most men, they like to play it safe, like I said, right? When they see that their woman is getting mad at them, they want to make sure that she doesn't. They want to make sure that she stops being mad very, very quickly. Like, oh, honey, what do you want me to do? Do you want me to stop doing this? Okay, I'll stop doing it. Just don't be mad at me. You see, this kind of behavior is very beta, and will actually make the woman lose attraction for you. It will make her lose attraction for you. Over time, she may not know why, but over time, your constant supplicating to her will show that, you know what, this man is not worth her time, because her emotions aren't getting involved in the relationship with you and her. Here's the thing. When a woman gets mad, right, it's not the fact that she's getting mad. Look, you don't have to make her mad, right? I'm not saying you need to be making a woman mad to grow her attraction for you, right? Because that in itself is wrong. Here's the thing. A woman will find a reason to be mad at you. You don't have to make her mad, right? She's a woman. She will find any reason to get mad at you. The thing that you need to do is how you handle it when she becomes mad, right? When she sees that her being mad at you, that you're not gonna budge from your belief system, in that moment, she might raise hell. She might raise hell in that moment. It might look like she's about to turn into a banshee or a dragon. But here's the thing that you have to understand. No matter what she does, she will calm down. As long as it's not, I'm not talking about you did something messed up to her and that's the reason why she's mad. In those cases, you need to get out of there, right? Unless she's going to hurt you. But here's the thing. If she's just getting mad over a decision that you've taken for yourself or for your life, or something that you are doing to better yourself, or something that you're planning on doing, right? And she just gets mad at the fact that she wasn't able to control it or tell you what to do, then you don't need to worry about her calming down. You just let her know that she has to deal with it. She will get mad, of course, but trust me, when she sees that she cannot move you off your center, her attraction for you will grow. And it's fine. Here's the thing. I'm not saying you're going to do that for you to make her attracted to you. You shouldn't even care if she does or not. The point is, you have to stick to your guns and not worry if this woman is going to leave you because she's mad at you. In fact, like I said before, if she can see that she knows that when she gets mad that you get scared, that you get shook when she gets mad, she's gonna lose respect for you. She's like, man, this guy's not even a man. If me getting mad can make him scared, then he's not a man. She needs to see that her being angered at you or angry at you doesn't move you off your center. You have to treat it like it's like a little kid throwing a temper tantrum. Like, she'll get over it. You know? That's why, honestly, when you always ask yourself, how come a girl always goes back to like a toxic ex? But she says that he keeps hitting her or he keeps mistreating her, but she keeps going back to him. It's because he knows how to get her emotions involved. He knows how to take it on like a roller coaster ride of emotions. When she sees that every time that she gets mad and you just don't give a fuck, I'm telling you, her emotions are gonna get so involved because she's gonna be like, ah, he's so annoying, but I'm so attracted to him. I'm so mad at him, but I can't stop thinking about him because she's mad at you, right? So she can't think about anything else other than you. I know it's kind of backwards, but it's just, it's just that's the way women are. For us, man, if we're constantly getting mad at a woman, we start to lose attraction for them. We're like, ah, man, this girl is too much of a headache, right? But if a girl, when she's getting mad at you and she sees that you don't even care that she's mad, she's gonna keep getting mad at you, and you can just see that she's gonna start actually getting more attached to you because her emotions are getting involved and she's thinking about you more and more. And once she comes down, she's gonna be like, oh man, he's such a man. Now, I'm not saying that you need to make your woman angry, but I'm saying this. When she gets angry at you and you know it's not your fault, you need to let that shit ride. Just let it play out. Don't even try to calm her down. Oh, babe, I'm so mad at you. Well, babe, if you're mad, it is what it is. I'm gonna keep doing what I gotta do. Or you're mad that I gotta work overtime. Hey, babe, you know what? It is what it is, but I gotta do this. Or you're mad that I'm taking a trip over the weekend to go see my mom. Hey, it is what it is. You know, I don't know what reason that you may have that your girl would get mad at you, but if it's something that you know for sure, that it's something that it's good and decent, and that you as a man know that you have to take this, that you have to do this, and she gets mad at you over that, hey, don't worry about it. Go do it. She will get over it. And trust me, when she gets over it, her attraction for you will grow and she will respect you even more. You see, the thing is that you have to get used to the fact of telling a girl no. You have to get used to the fact of telling a girl, hey, I don't agree with that. I can't do that for you. I won't do that for you. I'm not going to do that for you. You know? I mean, if you can do it for her, yeah, sure, do it. But if you can't and you know you don't want to do it, hey, don't do it. Don't say I'm gonna do it because she's gonna be mad at me. Screw all that. I don't want to do it, so I'm not gonna do it. Hey, we're gonna take a trip to this place. Can you come with us? No, babe, I can't come. I have work. Come on, take some time off. You need to relax. Hey, babe, look, I need to work. Oh man, you always do this. You never take off time. You never do this. Blah 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 blah. It just keeps going off on you, babe. Look, when you go, have fun. But when you come back, I'll be here. But I gotta work. I gotta work. Don't worry, she'll calm down. And here's the thing: even if she walks out on you or gets mad, here's the thing: it is what it is. Most of the time, they'll come back. But if she doesn't come back, that's fine. You remember, guys, you have to think about your happiness every single time. Your happiness is priority. You can only make other people happy if you are happy yourself. Okay, so don't worry if she's getting mad. She will get over it, and her attraction for you will grow, and her respect for you will grow. And if it doesn't, that's fine. There's another girl. You as a man need to stand your ground. The story that I promised you guys that I will tell you when this particular lesson that I'm teaching you guys has helped me was when I used to promote, right? When I used to promote, I used to go out with this girl, and after a while, she was mad at the fact that I was promoting. Here's the thing: being a promoter in Hollywood, what it entails is me having to party with girls every single weekend, and I'm not just talking about 1, 2, 3 girls. I'm talking about 20, 30, sometimes even 40 girls at my tables, all drunk. Now, of course, I understand it's going to be tough for my girlfriend, of course, at the time, right? I understand this. But here's the thing. She met me when I was doing that. And this is how I make my money. This is how I get paid. She wasn't happy. She wanted me to quit. She wanted me to quit promoting. But I was like, hey, look, as long as this pays my bills, I am not going to quit this. Did she get mad? Of course. We fought about it all the time. She got mad. But trust me, when I said that the sex was, after she came down, the sex was just amazing. The sex was just amazing because she respected me even more, because she knew that this is a real man. So guys, that is my story. That is the lesson for today. I hope you guys have seen value in that. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos, okay? Comment whatever you guys want, any questions that you guys want. I love interacting with you guys in the comment sections, okay? If you guys have any questions, again, let me know. Share this with someone. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.